The GRANDnavi 2Din Android 13 car radio is a high-performance multimedia system designed for Volkswagen, Skoda, and other compatible models. Featuring a modern Android 13 operating system, this device provides a smooth and responsive user experience, making every drive more enjoyable. It supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone. By connecting your phone via USB, the radio syncs with your device, providing easy access to navigation, audio, calls, and more, ensuring a safer and more convenient driving experience. Equipped with support for DVR external equipment, this car radio enhances driving safety by allowing real-time observation of the road. It can record road conditions, helping to reduce risks while driving. Whether you need to monitor traffic situations or capture important moments on the road, the DVR functionality ensures that you have a reliable recording system at your disposal. Additionally, the GRANDnavi 2Din Android car radio supports both front and rear camera inputs. This feature enhances parking and reversing safety by providing clear visuals of the surroundings, helping drivers avoid obstacles and park with confidence. The ability to record road conditions while driving adds an extra layer of security, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize safety on the road. With its advanced features, intuitive interface, and reliable performance, the GRANDnavi 2Din Android car radio is a must-have upgrade for Volkswagen, Skoda, and compatible vehicles. Beyond its safety features, this car radio also delivers high-quality entertainment and convenience. With access to GPS navigation, audio streaming, and hands-free controls, it transforms your vehicle into a smart and connected hub. Whether you're commuting to work, taking a road trip, or running errands, the GRANDnavi Android car radio enhances every aspect of your drive with its advanced functionality and seamless integration.